Tashidele, everyone. We're planning to make incense, homemade incense. So this is a mixture of sage and juniper. 다리 혼자 뼈에서기 답시 단계와. So this is juniper and sage. We grinded the juniper and sage, and this is how it looks. So we're gonna make dough of this and then making incense stick. 다리 먼저 뼈수행이 나라 뼈조샤 아니 디디레 슈퍼다 sage 라이치도 이 벽에는 할래나다디
Sage.
sage 온디 로마카우도 주레 감교치 온디레 아니 온디다 아니 슈퍼 놈도 테샤레 슈퍼디 감교인데와 감교디 타니 인데스레 타디 탄다 파세 파네 아니 디체 그래서 요파나 시스웨니 니 탄다 티스코니 땡고 다 다리 빠지야레 상기 빠디 아니 디케사 juniper the sage 놈도 타교 체와 안 타교 체 아니 essential oil tishim the eucalyptus ready this quad the eucalyptus tree eucalyptus essential oil only luemba dida ani chuche ani paziyar lu tangunum luna ay we're making for the first time, so there's no exact ratio. We're just eyeballing it. So we're dropping a lot of eucalyptus essential oil, and we're gonna add water and then start kneading it. So we're pre-mixing the oil and the juniper and the sage grinded. Oh, I can smell. So holistic. While he is kneading, here's my avocado seed. Hopefully it'll give some root. It's been for 3 days. So now we're gonna add water. H2O, a diet. And we're gonna make dough. I think we need more water. So we already almost made the dough, and we forgot to show you about this one, the gum it's a powder base. It's called gum arabic, yeah. And then we added into this, and this is the giant bowl. So now we're gonna start making the stick. So we're using this Wilton cake decorator on the tube, like a syringe. So we're gonna fill. This is the tip, and this is how we want, not too skinny stick, but not too big, but randomly. So now we're adding the dough inside the syringe. 딱 하자, 샤나. 있음 그냥. Okay. Lọc rồi. 그래 lọc được 좀 냠매. 이제 파치우라 사이드로.
딜렘다.
아, 네.
와 딜렘다.
네.
와디 친이 되네 오늘.
알아. 아무 게 쉽게 얘기하고.
항내 말해.
알아.
갈래.
네 대형 가고 지살다. So we added a gum powder and a little water because it was so thick that it's not coming out from the syringe. 여기 라다네 딱 넣고 시작하고 되고 이 디스카 차이사네. 아니 이거 돼. So this is our final product. I mean, not final, in the process. So we're using this built-in cake decorator, the icing thing, to make incense. And it's very nice outside, so we're gonna try them outside. Stretch my definition. Nothing. So now we're gonna refill. Come on, get on the eye. Come on, Sasha. This one, yeah. Top of it. So we use a parchment paper, the baking sheet, and we can find the net. So we're planning, once the top part is dry, we're gonna go over and dry the bottom part. So this is our plan for now. Potential fraud lead. Dia aja lagi jangan lagi gitu. Kalau kamu jadi potential fraud dan scam itu. The aroma is so good. It's like fresh, really fresh sun. Oh, by the way, we got this syringe idea from one of the Japanese incense maker. So we tried to look for syringes around the neighborhood, but we couldn't find one. So we used this cake icing syringe, and it's the right size. The Japanese they prefer So now we're filling all the gaps, so we have full production. I know it's not perfect, so it's still work in progress, so we have to do some refinement regarding the recipe and the technique. So this is our first time making it because we ran out of incense and India is under lockdown. So anyway, so we planned to do this video as for fun project. So this the incense stick is not perfect, but we'll make it refine. Like we will make the scale more perfect. Picking the two guys. So we're connecting the dots. That's cut it off. So we're doing the next tray. Oh, how big he said that. Looks like Mandy. Oh my god. ये क्या शो क्या ये